Moma, it's a line. We are fooling, no? Hello, that ATM does not come. We already tried it. Do you think we are idiots standing in this queue? So long I'm standing in the queue. Only for this 2000 rupees note. We are not doing herd mentality. Okay? It is a herd for a reason. Hey, don't try to cut. Queue. It's a queue. I have to pay dowry. It's my daughter's marriage. Even I also have to pay dowry. It's my daughter is getting married. Q, ABCD Q. Right. Ho. I am also fainting. I am dead. I am a ghost. Another ghost is coming. What to do? Get lost. Stand in queue. They are making noise. Hello, don't squabble like this. It's for our own good. Ungrateful fellows, shut up and stand in the line. I don't understand. It's for our own good, now. Only 2000 rupees. Are you in the army, uncle? So straight you are? LIC. That's what, uncle, all of us know. They can't understand and always blaming. People like you should tell us. Planning, ma. Planning is important. Nowadays, where we have time for planning, uncle? Youth cultures nowadays. Early morning, early to rise, make the man to get the worm. To get the worm. Moma, you know? Mo? Not moving, uncle. So nice, uncle, like Mahesh Babu. In my youth days, maybe. Hello, madam. Excuse me. Please be careful. Are you sorry, uncle? Hello, madam. Hello? Hello? Hello, madam. You see this? Hello. You see this? She is entering the digit. Hello. You see this? She is entering the digit. Hello, madam. Hello. Hey. Over smart man. My ATM card. Forgot it at home. You please go and draw the money.